Strawberries are wonderful to puree and make into fabulous simple jam. There is absolutely nothing better than a homemade jam, and this recipe is no exception. Hello my beautiful viewers, it's your favorite girl Jennifer again, and you're all welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this yummy strawberry jam. Just sit back and keep watching, okay? For this recipe, you will need 1.5 kg of strawberries and 500 grams of jelly sugar. I'm going to start by putting the neatly washed strawberries into a clean pot and then add 500 grams of jellied sugar. Stir over low heat until the sugar is dissolved. At this point, the sugar has dissolved. So the next thing you are going to do is to increase heat to high and bring the mixture to a full rolling boil. Boil stirring often until the mixture reaches 220 degrees. You need to stir often to make sure the jam doesn't burn to the bottom of the pot. Boil for about 20 minutes until it becomes thick. And also match the strawberries as you are stirring it. So guys, at this point the jam is ready. Can you see it? Can you see how thick it looks? This is the consistency you should be looking out for. So the next thing you are going to do is to transfer it into sterile jars. It's very important you sterilize the jars before pouring in the jam, okay? So when you are done pouring in the jam, cover it tightly and then allow it to cool to room temperature and then refrigerate. So guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. Please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Mwah.